Paying a mortgage with Venmo is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To pay the mortgage with Venmo, follow these steps. So, most online platforms don't allow mortgage payments. Only Venmo and Plastic from the above list offer you the opportunity to pay for your mortgage. The platforms that allow you to use credit cards severely limit the credit cards you can use to pay your bill. So, the easiest way to pay your Venmo credit card bill is to make the payment from your Venmo app. Then, navigate to the Venmo credit card section of the Venmo app and click View and Pay. Now, from there, you can pay your bill using the money in your Venmo account or with a verified bank account on file. If your mortgage provider offers an online payment system, you can set up automatic payments using your bank account. While this doesn't involve Venmo directly, it ensures your mortgage is paid on time every month. Some banks offer bill pay services where they send checks or electronic payments on your behalf. Check with your bank to see if they have a bill pay service you can use to pay your mortgage.